We are having taco night. So if you like to eat, you just come over and you're welcome to get it. You hear me? I called it and you didn't answer because I think you're busy. But anyway, we are having taco night. Good night. Goodbye.
Pizza. Hi. How are you?
My mom's grabbing trash right now.
All right.
Real life.
Just a minute. Feel free to park your broom. Tell us what brings you here, or we'll put a spin.
Okay.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
I can leave a message at your door? How did I not know this? This is way better than just